What is condensation? Explained simply. Imagine stepping inside a cool room on a hot day and seeing tiny water droplets form on the glass. That's condensation happening right before your eyes. It's a common process that affects many parts of our daily lives and natural systems. Condensation is when a gas turns into a liquid. It happens when the gas loses energy, usually by cooling down, or sometimes when pressure increases. When gases cool, their molecules slow down and come closer together. This causes them to stick together and become liquid droplets. Think of water vapor in the air turning into water droplets on a cold window. That's condensation in action. In thermodynamics, condensation is a phase change. It's the transition from vapor, which is a gas, to a liquid. During this change, heat is released. This heat is called the heat of condensation. For example, when water vapor condenses into liquid water at 100 degrees Celsius, it releases the same amount of heat it absorbed when boiling into vapor. This energy exchange is important in many systems like weather patterns and refrigeration. On a molecular level, gases lose energy as they cool. When their energy drops enough, the attractive forces between molecules pull them together into a liquid. The temperature at which this happens depends on the substance and the pressure. For water at normal atmospheric pressure, condensation usually occurs at 100 degrees Celsius or lower. Condensation plays a big role in the water cycle. Water vapor rises into the atmosphere, cools, and turns into clouds. These clouds can then produce rain or snow. The process often happens around tiny particles like dust or smoke, which act as spots for the vapor to condense on. In practical uses, condensation is key in air conditioning and refrigeration. These systems remove heat from the air by turning water vapor into liquid on cooling coils. It's also used in industries to separate or purify substances by controlling phase changes. So, in simple terms, condensation is the cooling process where a gas becomes a liquid, releasing heat along the way. It's a natural part of the water cycle and a vital process in many machines and systems we rely on every day.